black queen. Failure ain't an option. You looking clean, clean, clean. Failure ain't an option, an option. You looking clean. Cause you know that failure ain't an option.
Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today's video is going to be showing you guys how I get my low bun with the little swoopy swoop action in the front. It's very cute, it's very sexy, and you guys asked me off of my reel to show you guys how I did it because I finally figured it out. So that's what we're doing today. So I already washed my hair and deep conditioned and all that fun stuff. So I'm just going to apply my leave-in conditioner so that I can prepare my hair for what is about to go down. Alright, so now my hair is detangled and it's ready to get slayed. Okay, so these are the products you're going to need. These two types of brushes, like a detangling type brush and then a hard bristle brush. You're going to need a gel of your choice. I'm using Eco Styler gel and my favorite edge control. It's She Is Bomb Edge Control, a spray bottle, the edge brush thing, and some hair clips and some hair ties. Now, I'm going to leave all that stuff in the description box. But anyways, you're going to need to part your hair. You don't need to use a comb for this, but we're going to start with the back section first. And then we're just going to clip away the front because we're going to get to her later. That part is going to take a while, but let's do the easy part first. So for this hairstyle, I think, especially if you have type 4 hair or if you have like thicker hair, keep that water bottle on you. The spray bottle, keep that thing on you because your hair needs to be damp this entire time to get it as smooth as possible. So you're going to want to use this type of brush, like a Tangle Teaser or like something like that type of brush to help make sure you have no knots and smooth out the back of your hair. You don't want to go straight in with a bristle brush unless you have really, really smooth hair like type 3s or whatever, but if you're in the 4s, make sure you use that tangly type brush first and then you apply your gel second. This will help a lot with the smoothing down of your hair and making sure that there's no lumps in the back of your head because nobody likes a lumpy low bun, okay? So Tangle Tease first or whatever that brush is called, and then also use your hands. We're going to be using our hands a lot. We're going to incorporate our hands to help smooth down the back of our hair. So it's like brush and smooth with hands. Brush and hands, brush and hands. And then you use the bristle brush to kind of bring it all together. Alright, so we're going in with hair tie number 1, and a mistake I've made in the past is tying my hair too tight, but I only tied it around twice this time because if I'm going to be using like 4 different hair ties, I don't need to tie them all 50 times. That's how you avoid a headache. So now when it comes to the side part, you want to see what type of head shape you have. I have more of a round face because like I have really big cheeks, so I usually go for the middle part because it kind of evens my face out. But since we're doing a side part today, I'm going to just kind of get the deep side part. I usually put it like right above my little beauty mark that I have on my face. You see that right there? So I'm like, let me get a little closer to the mark. There she is. And then I just kind of map it out and see if it looks good on me or not. Give or take a few times. So the spray bottle is back in action yet again. But this side, since it's a lot thinner, not thinner, but like a smaller piece, I don't really need to detangle as much because it kind of smooths out easier since there's not much hair in this section. But I'm still going to be using my hands to smooth it and the bristle brush to get that part in. And then there goes hair tie number 2. Only around twice again. Team no headaches on this one. I refuse. We're not doing it. So now we're at the front of our hair. And this is where things get a little bit trickier, okay? But we're going to get it done. So shout out to the spray bottle yet again. Main character, low-key, main character of this hairstyle is the spray bottle. So I'm going to twist that piece away. We'll get to her later. And then I'm going to spray my hair again. I'm going to use the Tangle Tease type of brush one more time because this section is kind of thick and it needs a little bit of extra work. I have my gel. I'm using my hands to smooth, and then I'll use my bristle brush. This is not a bristle brush. I'll use my Tangle Teaser yet again because we want to ensure ain't no lumps, okay? The bristle brush is coming now, though. Here we are, okay? And then I'm going to put that back into a ponytail. Only 2 ties again because what? Team, no headaches for the style. We're not doing that. Thank you. Alright, so now for the front piece. Now this is the main event, and it took me the longest to do because I could not you know, figure out the best swoop shape for my face. I was like, oh, this is cute, but to be honest, I couldn't do it there because I'm not about to glue my hair down to my eyebrow, so you know, whatever. So this is how I normally wear my side parts, but like that doesn't really fit my face very well. It looks kind of funny, but this looks much better, so we're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna add my gel. We're gonna detangle the hair, make sure it's nice and smooth, because the front part, it just gotta be smooth. Ain't no lumps and bumps up in here. So I'm gonna kind of just play with it. This part takes a lot of playing around with. You're gonna see me go back and forth between this brush, that brush, my little edge control swoop brush. Like, they all play a major part. So depending on what type of head you got or what type of round face, you want to just play around with your swoop and see what looks the best. I was like, this looks okay, but at one point I was just like, whatever, this is gonna have to do. And I just put the hair tie on, and then after the hair tie was on, I continued to work on the front to get my desired look. So don't be discouraged, ladies. It takes a while to figure out, like, does this look good? Dang, I don't know. But just keep working on it, and then just keep swooping it, and then eventually you'll find the perfect swoop for your face. But the other major key is definitely the little edge tooth for this thing right here. This helped me a lot because it helped me to like move the hair in the front or move it to the back. It gave me like the perfect size swoop. I don't even really know if this is a swoop, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. So I was trying to use the comb to give it a very precise look in the front, but then it just kind of came up too short, and I was like, absolutely not. So then I redid it again. But I'm just going to keep playing around with it, using my fingers, using the toothbrush, using my fingers, using the brush, or whatever, and just finding the best look for your face. So after about 20 minutes of going back and forth with all my hair tools, this is the little swoopy swoop that I ended up with, and I'm quite pleased. Looks good. Now I'm going in with my edge control to get this side of my hair popping a little bit, just dashing on a little bit of the She Is Bomb, and then letting my little edge brush do all the work. Very simple, like 2 little swoops, and I'm like good to go. Y'all know me, I don't like to go too crazy on my edges, and I also don't really know how to do that, so that's really why I don't do it, if we're being honest. So now my new favorite thing is doing like these little, I don't know what these are called, but like little fake sideburns, like little fake Ashanti sideburn things that we used to make fun of people for, but now they're in style. You hate to see it. So I just do that on both sides. Make sure I like flip it up a little bit, and it kind of just gives the look like some polish. Ooh, you love that. So I'm gonna put my hair in a little bun, and that is pretty much all I really do. I got the bun right. Yes, this looks so elegant. Ooh, y'all, don't forget to get the little peasy peas in the back of your head. I definitely let them things fly. My bad. Don't roast me. I beg of you. Thank you. So I'm just gonna put this head tie on. Y'all, rest in peace to my cheetah print headscarf. If you've been here from the beginning, you know she came a long way with me, but I lost her at the airport like 2 months ago. So I'm here with this raggedy. I don't even know what this is, but it's sticking beside me right now, so that's fine. So y'all, this is the finished hairstyle. Nice and sleek. It's giving wedding energy. Like, I feel like I really should use this as my wedding hairstyle, but I wear it too often, so I'm not going to. And I'm also not engaged, so I don't know what I'm talking about. So love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.